This question we have the 2013 question 3. So it says scientists can estimate the age of certain ancient items by measuring the proportion of carbon-14 relative to the total carbon content in the item. The formula, so Q is equal to E and then to the power of this, where Q is the proportion of carbon-14 remaining and T is the years in age. So Q is the proportion of carbon-14 remaining and T is the age in years. So if an item is 2000 years old, we're asked to use a formula to find the proportion of carbon-14 in the item. So we're asked to find Q, which is the proportion of carbon-14. So our formula is Q is equal to E minus 0.693 T over 5730. So we're told that T is equal to 2000, so I'm just gonna multiply that by 2000. So then if we were to plug that in to our calculator, so we get 0.693 by 2000 over 5730, and we get Q is equal to 0.7851. So that's the proportion of carbon-14 present in the item. So then in the next one, we're given the proportion of carbon-14 in an item found at Loughborough, County Offaly was 0.3402. So Q is the proportion of carbon-14 left. So in this case, Q is equal to 0.3402. So we're asked to estimate, correct to two significant figures, the age of the item. So our formula is E minus 0.93 T over 5730. So we know that Q is 0.3402. So that's equal to E 0.693 T over 5730. So we want to get E by itself. So we have so when we have say if we have something A to the power of Y and that's equal to X, we can write that as log A X is equal to Y. Here, because the T is in our power, we can't actually figure out what the T is as it is, but we can write this as a log. So in this case, the A would be E, the Y is this, and the X is this. So we can rearrange that so we have T, have it equals to this part here. So it'll be log of E and then 0.3402, and then that's equal to minus 0.693 T over 5730. So then if you want to figure out what that is, so we can rearrange that to get T by itself. So that would be 5730 log E, or we can have natural log ln, so 0.3402. And then if we want to, we can also divide by what's on the bottom here, so that'd be minus 0.693, and that's equal to T. So if we want to work that out, so it'll be 5730 so ln is equal to log E, so that's the same thing, 0.3402 and over 0.693, and then and there was a minus in front of that, so I'll just change it so it comes out exactly. So we get 8915.165. So we're asked to round to two significant figures, so that's a number other than 0. So the first significant figure is this, the second is this. So if to round that to two significant figures, it will be 8,900 years. So that is the estimation of the age of the item.